I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat Bitmoji. Have you created a Bitmoji, but now you're thinking of giving it a makeover or starting fresh? Whether you're changing up your style or just want a digital declutter, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat Bitmoji quickly and easily. Now let's walk through the steps to delete your Snapchat Bitmoji. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. You'll land on your Snapchat camera screen. Step 2. Tap your Snapchat profile icon at the top of the screen. Your Snapchat profile screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. Your Snapchat settings screen is shown. Step 4. Tap Bitmoji in this menu. The Bitmoji screen opens. Step 5. Tap Remove My Bitmoji in this menu. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in My Closet. Step 6. Tap Remove. Your Snapchat Bitmoji will be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.